Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create new drive on Windows 11 and 10. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Right-click C Drive, click Shrink Volume. Right-click Unallocated, click New Simple Volume. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.